Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the cabin filter in an Acura RDX. First, gather your tools, including a small Phillips head screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off before you begin. You'll be working near electrical components, so safety is key. This process is straightforward and can save you money on maintenance. Now, open your glove box and remove everything inside. On the right side, you'll see a small dampener arm. Gently unclip it. Next, carefully press inward on both sides of the glove box. This will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, giving you access to the filter housing. Be gentle to avoid breaking any plastic tabs. With the glove box down, you'll see a rectangular cover for the cabin filter housing. Unclip this cover and pull out the old filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. It indicates the direction air flows through it. Install your new filter, ensuring its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper filtration. Finally, reverse the steps to reassemble everything. Push the glove box stops back into place, reattach the dampener arm, and close the glove box. Turn on your vehicle and test the air conditioning to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Regular cabin filter changes improve air quality and AC efficiency, so consider replacing yours every 15,000 miles or once a year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.